What's up everybody, Exalted Moose here, delivering you another PUBG Lone Wolf episode, where you get to listen to me talk to myself while I'm playing against squads. Let's do this. Alright. Where do I want to try and go? I think I'm gonna go for that spot. Oh shit, there's a lot of people coming around. Oh goody. Get out of here, those are my houses. I'm going for these instead. Hopefully there's nobody else coming to this. These houses, they're all mine. Oh, I landed on the wrong side of the gate. Okay. Shotguns. They could be useful. I'll go with the double barrel, just in case. Alright, well. Oh, yes. I just came a little bit, not gonna lie. Alright. Now a backpack would be very much useful, because I could hold a lot more rounds. Okay, well, you know what? I don't need that much for shotgun shells, so I am going to drop 20. No. 18. There. Drop that. Pick up that. Pick up that. There we go. Now we just need an extended mag and possibly a vest of any kind, really. Okay. Full auto, single. Let's go with full auto. Okay, where should I go? I'm probably gonna need to get to there. Could really use a scope too, and I'm running into a giant field. Ooh, I really hope that nobody has a sniper rifle yet. Yeah, it's probably already taken. That one's really close, but yeah, I'm gonna jump in here for a bit. It's really, really close. And it's on the way. There might be something here. Doubt it, but you know what? It's worth a look. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything here. Is that a person? Backpack, thank God. Yeah, I'll pick that up. Sure, I woke up the neighbors killing him. Change that to single fire. Oh, I can get rid of the stupid bullets. Put that on there. There's no upstairs to this. Found a helmet. Okay, ooh, oh yeah. I need a 4x scope though. that'll work too. Use that. That out. Put the 2 time. Put that back on there, and then throw that on there, and then ooh, yeah, no, I'm putting it on that. Okay. Oh, a grenade. I missed you somehow. Meters, gotta bump it up to 200. So far I got a free kill. I don't really accept that. That's not really fair. That's just somebody that either legged out of the game and couldn't yeah, that happens. You'll see guys like that just standing there for no reason, AFKing, or they got kicked out of the game when it first started. Game crashed on them. Stuff like that. It happens. It's always nice to get a free kill every once in a while, though. Surprised it wasn't a group of them, though. Normally they're grouped up in one area. Okay, I'm gonna stay on this hillside for as long as I can. I'm gonna go up here, check that area out. There's 50 people left, and I haven't seen anybody other than that one. I like this hillside. If I could only get a 4-time scope, that would be amazing. Alright, I feel like I should move over there, because that would probably be the best bet. It's just a rock. Alright, well, I need to go do more looting. Sorry. Oh shit. I see ya. Fucking dick. Think you can get me that easily? Uh-uh. Where's all of his teammates? Fuck. Probably over there. Oh wow, you had everything. Oh yeah, I'll take that. Oh, I'll take that too. Oh, I'll put that right on there. I'll take your backpack, I'll take your helmet, take your grenade, extended mag for that babe. Yeah, it is. No, can't take that. Another 2-time. I'll leave it. Silencer? Yeah. Oh, baby. And bullets. Get rid of that. Take those. Take those. Take that. Already full. Alright. Okay, so let's take a couple energy drinks. Keep moving. What a foolish man thinking he could take me on by himself like that. I'm on a squad. I'm not on a squad, bro. There's a reason why I'm by myself. Represent. Recognize. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly where I wanted to go. Okay. I think this is a good spot to hold out for now. Too bad that guy didn't have a 4x scope. Probably would have gotten me with a 4x scope though. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Ah, shit. Oh, well, it was fun while it lasted. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And until next time, Exalted Moose is out.